In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk list files or images from a Google Drive folder. This is really useful if you need a clean list of all the files in a folder, maybe for documentation, a spreadsheet, a website, or just to keep things organized. Instead of copying file names one by one, we're going to use a simple method that lets Google Drive and a little bit of scripting do the heavy lifting for us. First, make sure your files are all in a single Google Drive folder. It helps if the folder is clearly named and only contains the files you actually want to list, especially if you're working with images or a specific project. Once your folder is ready, open it in Google Drive so you can see all the files inside. Next, we're going to open a Google Sheet where the list will be created. In a new tab, go to Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. You can rename it to something like File List from Drive folder, so it's easy to find later. This sheet will become your output, where each file name and optionally the file links will appear. Now we'll connect the sheet to your Drive folder using AppScript, which is a small built-in scripting tool from Google. In your Google Sheet, open the Extensions menu and choose the option to open the script editor. This will create a special project linked to your sheet. In the script editor, you'll paste a short script that loops through all the files in a chosen folder and writes their names and possibly their URLs into the sheet. Before running it, you'll need the folder ID from Google Drive. To get that, go back to your Drive folder, look at the address bar in your browser, and copy the long string of characters that uniquely identifies the folder. Paste that into the script where the folder ID is requested. Once the script is set up, save it, then run it for the first time. Google will ask you to authorize access so the script can read your Drive folder and write into your sheet. Approve those prompts and then run the script again. After it finishes, switch back to your Google Sheet. You should now see a complete list of files from that folder, neatly organized in rows. From here, you can sort, filter, copy the list elsewhere, or share it with your team.